Top 4 effective home remedies to cure asthma. Natural asthma relief. Asthma is a respiratory illness that is triggered by exposure to an environmental irritants or stress. To combat it, try these natural remedies for asthma. Some of the asthma main symptoms are difficulty breathing and wheezing. You may be familiar with these symptoms since asthma is one of the most recurrent diseases in the world. Asthma is a chronic disease that occurs when our airways becomes inflamed and swell up too tight for comfortable breathing. Asthma attacks can be caused by dust mites, pollen, fungus, and exposure to animals, etc. In today's article, we are going to show you some home remedies to treat asthma and relieve your symptoms. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent asthma remedy because it reduces inflammation in the airways and prevents them from contracting, making breathing easier. You can consume ginger by mixing a spoonful of ground ginger with a glass and half of water. Another way to consume it is through tea. Take 1 inch of ginger and cut it into small pieces. Put the ginger in a pot with boiling water and let it boil for 5 minutes. Drink the tea as soon as it cools. Mustard oil. Mustard oil is one of the most effective natural remedies to treat asthma attacks. It is important to emphasize that the oil we are talking about is the greasy kind, obtained by grinding the mustard seeds. Drink from the essential oil. Mix the warm mustard oil with a little salt and massage it in your chest and back several times a day until you get relief from the symptoms. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil contains eucalyptol, a liquid widely used in asthma medications due to its decongestant properties. Research has shown that this oil is effective in breaking down the mucus accumulated in our airways. A good way to use eucalyptus oil to treat asthma symptoms is through inhalation. Put 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil in a pan with boiling water. When it begins to evaporate, deeply inhale the vapor in order to accelerate the effect. Coffee. This may be new to you, but coffee can be a great ally for people suffering from respiratory problems. The reason is simple. Caffeine is a bronchodilator which opens up our airways, relieving asthma symptoms. The stronger the coffee, the better when it comes to asthma. If you don't like coffee, some teas such as black, white, and oolong tea are great alternatives.